Happy Monday, Antelope Valley. I hope everyone is well and that you had a pleasant and safe Halloween and weekend. I'm Mark Troth, broker and co-owner of Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Troth Realtors, bringing you the November 3rd, 2025 version of the Antelope Valley Real Estate Market Update, where week in and week out we take a look at exactly what's going on in our local real estate market. Bill, it's important for residents and property owners and potential buyers to have a trusted local resource to go to follow along week after week with precisely what's going on in our local market. As I point out every week, often our statistics get lumped in with Greater Los Angeles County, Southern California, and our market is definitely unique unto itself. Before we get into a look at the statistics, I also like to point out that the statistics are courtesy of the Greater Antelope Valley Association of Realtors MLS system. So, where do we start this first full week of the month of November? Man, heading full steam into the holidays and what somewhat typically ends up being a little bit of a slowdown in our real estate market, but with some softening of interest rates. Perhaps we might see a different trend in 2025. Only time will tell. So, um, as we, like I said, start November, our active listings down just a few from last week, less than 1% down. We are at 1,086 last Monday. We start this week with 1,076, so still above the 1,000 level. Our pending properties, those properties under contract in escrow, about a fourth, fifth week in a row that we've seen that downward trend, down from 409 to 395, 3.4% down. So even with some softening of interest rates, as I said, still seeing some hesitancy from buyers to jump in the market. Perhaps they're waiting for those rates to drop a little bit further. And so once again, only kind of time will tell, but we see the mood of buyers are moving forward through the balance of 2025. For the week of October 27th through November 2nd, new listings were up just one from the prior week. So that's 1.3%. The prior week, we had 76 new listings. Last week, we had 77, so not much change there. Our median list price of those 77 new listings down 2.1% from 485 to 475. New properties into escrow. This is the number that kind of concerns me a little bit. Definitely thought we'd see a little bit of a reversal of that trend with the downward pressure on interest rates. Dropped 9. Last prior week was 56. This week 47, down 16.1%. The number of days that the properties that went under contract up 9 days to 56 was the median number of days on the market. And listings sold, those that closed escrow, 46, down from a nice healthy 61 the week before, representing a 24.6% decrease. And the median sales price of those 46 properties up 5% from 450 to 472.5. So we're truly hoping and that even as we head into the holidays, that some of this downward pressure, as I've mentioned several times on interest rates, might have an effect where we start to see more buyers come into the market. Going to kind of be interesting, as I said. So we'll definitely week in and week out as we move through the balance of 2025. Continue to keep a close eye on where we're at and provide you this Monday weekly update as to the local trends or Antelope Valley real estate market. But if you need more information about our local market, perhaps thinking about getting your house on the market or maybe jumping in as a buyer, by all means, please feel free for whatever information you want. Please feel free to reach out to myself or any of our other trusted associates here at Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, Troth Realtors, where we've proudly been serving the Antelope Valley real estate market since 1957. All right, everybody, take care. Make it a great week and talk to you next Monday. Bye-bye.